Okay, folks, here we are at the Chinohills project. We already had final a while back. All we're doing now is just fine-tuning a few little things, but this is the final product of the Chinohills kitchen remodel. As you can see, it's a beautiful kitchen with beautiful granite, but everything has been passed through inspections. Everything is done right, everything is finished, everything is working good. And I just wanted to give you a quick video of everything that we've accomplished here. The wall unit that you see on the family room there, that was all custom, as well as the fireplace mantle and the stone around the fireplace. And this is a custom island. Now this island here, you can move it around as you wish and use it as a tabletop. But as you can see, everything is done. And it's a very, very beautiful kitchen from what it was. So there you are. Chinohills project. Thank you for watching and following us on Facebook as well as YouTube.